Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how to use the Cuticle oil pen. So first of all, you have to roll the base. You roll it like 4 times. I rolled it twice and it wasn't coming out enough, so I had to roll it again. So roll it like 4 times, then you start applying to the cuticle area, just like the way I'm applying it. If you have a nail enhancement on, like a poly gel and an acrylic set, make sure you apply it just at the cuticle area and massage it into your nails, at the cuticle area and underneath your nails. That way when you massage it into the nails, it's going to seep into the nails and work on your natural nails. But when you have your natural nails on, that you don't have any enhancement on, you can actually rub it around the cuticles and rub some on your natural nails as well, so they can seep into your natural nails. When the oil supply on the bristle is limited, you can twist the base of the cuticle pen again so that it can flow properly. Don't forget to always massage the oil into the skin after applying around the cuticle area. Also, make sure you apply the cuticle oil around your cuticle area once daily, just to moisturize your cuticle area, the way we apply lip balms to our lips, just to moisturize our lips. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, I do product reviews, nail tutorials and a little bit of vlogging. If you like the content of my channel, kindly consider subscribing to become part of the family. Don't forget to apply the cuticle oil under your nails, on that spot below the free edge of your nails. Thanks for watching everyone. Don't forget to like this video and leave a comment, and take time to appreciate these nails I made. Till next time, bye.